Do you want to play amazing Xbox games on your PC but you don't know how to get Xbox Game Pass? It's easier than you think, and I'm here to show you exactly how to get started. So first, you're going to visit the Microsoft Store on your PC and search for Xbox Game Pass. You're going to see the option to download the Xbox app. This app is the key to unlocking hundreds of amazing games on your PC. Now, once the app is installed, open it and sign in with your Microsoft or your Xbox account. And if you don't have an Xbox Game Pass subscription yet, you can sign up directly through the app. Xbox Game Pass gives you access to tons of games for a low monthly fee, okay? Now, after signing in, you're going to see a large library of games available to download and play. So simply click on any game, hit install, and then you're ready to start playing. All right? So make sure that your PC meets the game requirements, because some games might need a better graphics card or more storage space. So check that before you start downloading. So now that you know what to do, leave me a like, comment, subscribe. Ciao.